So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use this image enhancer tool and upscale or rather bulk upscale images. So this is gonna be the website we're gonna use. It's called dgp.lol, and this should be the landing page you're seeing also on your end. So if you click on the tools over here, you'll see upscale images. It also have remove background over here, RGB to CMYK, not sure what that is. Vectorize is a pretty cool tool, and of course those are the tools right there. So among these tools, we're going to focus on upscale images. To enable this one, I want you to click on the left sections and choose tools right here. So if I click on this one, I'll be directed on the editing platform, which is going to be this one, and mainly focus on AI image upscaler. However, there are a lot of tools here. You have midjourney splitter, quick upscaler, midjourney zoom, AI background remover, and so on and so forth. But for now, for this video, we're going to focus on this one, AI image upscaler. So click on it and you'll see this landing page. Basically, we just need to drop a photo. I have a sample photo I got from the internet right there. Drop it over here and choose a layout. For example, over here we have 8 templates to choose from. We have detailed, balance, cartoon or drawing, fine-tuning, smooth LOL, balance plus DGP LOL, and of course another DGP LOL. So for this video, we're just gonna use one photo, one reference photo, and then choose each of this template. So for example, I'm gonna go with balance. Click on submit, and then make sure you have that enabled. And as you can see right there, after that's done, it will go here on this My Files. Click on it, and you'll see your files over here. So around this one, just a little heads up, each template will take around 30 to 40 minutes of processing time. So as you can see right there, finished 24 minutes ago, and this is upscale. On DGP LOL, this is balance plus, this is smooth, this is fine tuning. So let's download each one of them. Click on download for DGB. There you go. It will be selected on my PC over here. So if I click on this one, it will be open up, right? And as you can see right there, I'm gonna compare it on the default earlier. So this is gonna be DGP over there. And as you can see, there's a lot of difference. It's more bright, it's more detailed over here. Now, a little tip for you guys, if you want to upscale bulk here, simply click on this button that says bulk download and click on OK. This will direct it to compress the file and it will be downloaded on your PC in a few minutes. This will take around 30 or rather 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Our bulk download is just finished downloading, and click on download right there to check it out. And as you can see, it is a compressed zip file. If we click on it, open it, we can simply extract it to our desktop. Let me just click on extract, go to our desktop over there, click on OK, and right now, this is the folder they're gonna be in. So let me just open the original first. So we have reference. So again, this is the original photo. Make sure you recognize it, you memorize the quality. And right now, I'm gonna pull up its other results. For example, let's try balance plus. And as you can see right there, it's much more quality. It's much more enhanced. However, right now, let's try a different one. We have balance. We also have cartoon drawing right there. And if you're gonna ask me, personal favorite with this one will be cartoon drawing. Now, another example for us will be fine tuning. We also have detailed right there. Of course, we have smooth. So basically for me, smooth and cartoon drawing are the best filter here, or rather the best results. And lastly, we have, of course, DGB. And that being said, these are the results that we just bulk upscale earlier. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.